Welcome to Digitals. Here I make videos around making money online. So if this is your first time contacting this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. I will not come and tell you that I've uploaded any video. It's YouTube that will notify you that I've done so. So please subscribe, hit your bell notification icon, like and share this video to help someone over there on how to build a stable business online. Okay, secondly, I have reserved the best growth house in this video towards the end of this video, so please do well to watch this video till the end. Okay, it is a picture-in-picture video. Okay, so without wasting time, you're going to look at the business growth house that can impact positively on your business. Number one is planning and execution. So after you've conceived an idea or the type of business that you want to run, it's important to plan what your business is going to look like. What is it all about? How am I going to run it? Where am I going to run it? What am I going to do with it? And when am I going to run it? So these are questions that you need to ask yourself about the kind of business that you want to run. And then after you've planned, you brainstorm, you have had the idea, you go on to execute it, to take action. So we move on to number 2, goal setting. Number 2 is goal setting. You need to set targets for yourself, weekly, monthly, yearly, as the case may be, quarterly, whatever. But set goal, because setting goal is like the drive that will be pushing you forward to do something, one or two things, to do activities that will matter in your business. So the next is number 4 that I have is financial management. From time to time, look at your profit, look at the loss. What caused the loss? You work on it. What made you profit more? You add more money. You don't just go use the money that you have at the earliest stage of your business. You don't just use the money and spend it and use it because you've had profit. That's not how you run business. That's why most African businesses fail. You reinvest. You understand? You invest that money into your business and make it grow and expand. Then number 5, talent management. If you want to expand your business, employ experts so that they can contribute their expertise into your business. Because without that, your business will look like a one-man business, and the idea is just one person. So there's not diversification. You understand? So you need more ideas that are different from yours. You employ those people to bring in, and then you pay them for their service. Number 6 is customer experience assessment. Every time you run a business, build a relationship with customers. Then you ask them, how are we serving you? How do you see our product? What should we do to improve? Or what would you like for us to add or remove from our product or services? So that's always very, very important. That's how you know to make your customer satisfaction, to increase your customer satisfaction score. Okay, so the next one we look at here is retention programs. Yeah, conduct some programs that to retain your customers. For example, if you are a dry cleaner, what will you do to attract customers to bring their fabrics for you to wash. You can offer a free service, maybe once every month, the first day of the month, every month, first day, or every one day out of the week, for free service. You may look at what type of work is that one? But it is very important to retain your customers to you, of course. Or if not, if you don't offer, if another person is doing that thing, offering that retention program, they will go to that other business. Now they'll go to another business and find that kind of value there, and then they'll stick to that particular business owner. So that's the reason I'm sharing this tip to you, to incorporate into your business, implement into your business, offer retention programs to your customers. Then second to the last is quality. Let your customers know you for quality. Let your business be known for what? Quality. No matter how things are expensive in the market, economy, whatever, do not shift from what? Your quality. Quality product, quality service. Quality itself is a brand in your business. You understand? This is what keeps your business floating on top. Okay, the last but not the least is quantity. From time to time, give your customers free things. Offer them free things. Not all the time they'll be buying and buying, paying money every time. Give them. When you give to them, you attract them to come to you. You understand? And you make sure that your price are not very, very high. Reduce. I know it's because of some profits. Yes, I know sometimes profits. The profit margin makes some products or services to be high because people want to gain more. So now, what you give you an edge over another business owner or your neighboring business owner is when you reduce the price. For example, now, how can you survive if you have a business, you are selling toothpaste, for example, and your neighbor is also selling toothpaste? How can you beat your neighbor? Customers will come, they look for toothpaste, and they have two toothpaste shop closed that before them. So how can you beat? It is offering value that your neighbor is not offering, either in price, you understand, or in service. So you need to implement these things into your business, and then you see the tremendous growth in your business. Forget about the profit. If you have little profit in your business, if you have 1 million customers and you have little profit, if you have 1 million customers now and your profit for every product that you sell is just 1 naira, how much do you think you have? It's not it's 1 million naira. That is just the logic. So take these steps and you see you succeed.